So start on it, and okay, so such type of alarm is buzzing, that's why its reflected power is so high. So you have to turn off it instantly, and you have to try to adjust the antenna, okay? Because, and at first what will you do, turn off this, and you have to adjust the antenna, because the antenna height is properly mentioned here, and it's completely depend on the power also. What will be the antenna height if your frequency is like this? So it is completely written here, okay? So that my transmitter, my frequency is 88.5, that means the antenna height should be 33.5 or more than that, little bit. So I will just adjust the antenna. After just fully extend the antenna, then this section I have just, okay, first section is closed. Now I'm going to turn on this. Okay, long press little bit, it's turned on. As you can see, it is perfect, reflected power is 1. So this is very much suitable for transmission now, okay? So you have to be careful that reflected power, that means this bar, this downside bar REF, it should not be more than 1 bar. Yeah, sometimes it can be 2, it's maximum, but you have to maintain it's 1. Then it will be very much in eco mode, and the transmitter will be not too much heat, and the longevity of the transmitter will be increased. If you don't maintain this, then the power MOSFET could be damaged, and then you will say that I am not getting range. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I don't know what type of chip is inside this, because the RF chip should be, I don't know, maybe it is 1415 or 1414. I'm not sure about this. We have to open the transmitter to see this. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon in the next one with another transmitter, and if you guys comment me, then I can open the transmitter in the next video, and we will see physically which chip is inside of this. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon in the next one. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and also like. Thank you.
পাখি উড়ে উড়ে দূর থেকে বহু দূরে মেলেবে ডানা, কেন তোর পিছু ডান, কে করেছে মানা? প্রতীক্ষায় আছি তোর, আছি আমি দাঁড়িয়ে।